Welcome to Addons. In this video, we'll show you mobile menu widget. Let's start. Make sure it enable from Essential Classy tab. Let's jump in Elementor editor and drag and drop pop-up widget. We have two type of position, one is relative and second one is fixed. In fixed position, we have top and bottom option with its offset. Let's check mobile menu repeater. In this, we have icon and heading option. We have link, email, tell, and template selection options. In template, we have left, right, top and bottom direction option with width. In highlight list out, you can manage current items separate styling, like width, height, top offset, padding, color, background, and so more. Using this mobile menu start options, you can decide in which screen size your mobile menu visible. Also, we have swipe option. Using this, you can manage your large menu into swiper left-right. Also, you can manage display items. Let's check styling options. In List Style tab, you can manage general styling of items, like color, background, border, and more. In List Box Style tab, you can manage padding, background, border, and more. In Content Template Style tab, you can manage padding, background, border, and more. In Background Overlay Style tab, you can manage overlay color of outside pop-up template. Let's check sample layout using mobile menu widget. When pop-up open, you can close-click outside pop-up or using keyboard press escape button.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.